Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can autoplay piano Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for AutoHotkey. Give it a go and you can see that there is a website at the top of the search results. Simply click on it and you will be redirected to the software's website. Here, click on the download button and then download the latest version available. After the downloading is complete, run the setup and install it on the default location. Now a dialog box will appear on your screen. Simply click on the New Script button at the top and create a new script named Autoplay Piano. After that, you will be redirected to the newly created script. Simply move it to another folder, right-click on it, and select Edit Script. Now, open it using the notepad, and there will be blank space in front of you. Now, go to this web page and copy this command from here. Paste the copied command into the script and save it. Once done, close the script again, run the script. After running the script, you will get a confirmation pop-up. Simply close it, run the script again, and this dialog box will appear. Here, don't change anything and just paste any type of piano music into the music box. Once done, open the piano game and note that the music will play if you press the F4 key. But in order to pause or stop it, you will need to press the F8 key. Now, minimize the AutoHotkey app. Press the play key to start it, and then the pause key to stop. So that's basically how you can autoplay piano Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.